Wow, I did another video. Huh. It's this. Okay. I used the Blend Bunny. Yeah. Blend Bunny Lure palette. The Lethal Cosmetics 1-Up palette. Some other stuff I don't remember. Stop licking me. Because it's been hours, so. Okay. It's nice and sparkly and shiny. Oh yeah. Alright. Yep. Okay, well, two things. I bleached my eyebrows. Yeah, and I'm feeling them. And I forgot the other one. So I'm gonna be doing like a tried and true look this time. Since the last round was a new palette that I hadn't tried yet, and it was a patchy bitch. So I'm gonna, there's cat shenanigans going on. Welcome. I'm gonna use like a baby palette, which is the Lure palette from Blend Bunny Cosmetics, and like just so hot. And I'm gonna add I'm a little tired. I'm gonna add the, what the fuck is this? The Lethal Cosmetics 1-Up palette, because it's got some shimmer shinings in it. Like these, especially, let's see, that one, and that one. Yeah, those three in particular are real hot. I can't even talk. So I'm gonna do my tried and true shit with that, and that's probably all the talking I'm gonna be doing because I'm mean. So like I said, I'm not everyone's cup of tea. I'm more like a cup of wild turkey. Not just whiskey, not smooth, like nice warm whiskey. No, the whiskey that you drink and you think you are catching on fire and like you need to be rushed to a hospital. Like, that's what I am. So if you don't like it, that's okay, because I don't like you. Anyways, also for my Jesus fucking Christ, welcome back. Also for my what are these even called? Cake liners? The water activated liners. I use Midas Cosmetics liners, but they don't exist anymore. But like, these babies are delicious, and I mix up like my own colors all the time on them, so they're absolutely a disaster. But I have like a neon set, and then there's like the pastels that I used before. So those are my water activated liners. But there's so many out there now that it doesn't really matter. They're all the exact same thing. So just pick colors you like. Okay? Okay. Oh, one more thing. This puppy I use every single day no matter what I'm doing. It's Lunatic Cosmetics. I don't even remember which one this is. Supernatural. It's just that guy. That little puppy. But like, these two were not in it. I don't think this one was either. It's magnetic, so I put my own shit in it. I know this one's ColourPop. That's all I remember. But this one is from the palette, and if you can see how much it I've fucking used, I need this to exist again so that I can purchase it again, okay? Okay, Lunatic Cosmetics Labs. I know you're watching. all like 4 of my viewers. Okay, yep, yep. I forgot to film it because I'm a piece of shit, but I just put on some of the Giorgio Armani Neo Nude skin tint, and I usually just use like SPF depending on how sleep deprived I look that day. It's one of those days, so. I gotta go feed my cat.
Aw. Are you hungry? Okay.
Let's go!
Boys.
I'm gonna just pop in and say, real quick, this fucking black eyeliner from Shein. It's just Pro Precision Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I have pills under my tongue, so I'm talking weird. This is the best fucking black eyeliner I've ever fucking used, dude. And it's like $2 from Shein. Like, oh my god. It's black and it's matte. And if you cry, hypothetically, a lot, because hypothetically, you've had the worst 1.5 years of your life, and hypothetically, you just happen to cry a lot, this shit doesn't budge, dude. I would imagine. Like, it's so good. And then I use this e.l.f. super underrated also. I just, whatever this is, e.l.f. black liquid, whatever, for like inner corner bits, just because this one's starting to get on the end of its legs and I don't feel like opening the new one I have yet. And this one's black as fuck too. Like, she's a fucking banger, dude. Both of these, so good, dude. Oh, don't waste your money on expensive black eyeliner, okay? I've tried everything for 15-20 years. These are the real ones. Okay. Okay, bye.